welcome to my channel. Now I'm ready, all set to go for my morning walk. I'm planning to go to Lalbagh for my morning walk, and I'm planning to do a video, first outdoor video I'm doing. I'm not an expert, please support me. I'm trying my best. Shall we go? If the morning walk is in Lalbagh, it's even more better. We have been doing this walk for many years. Best thing about Lalbagh actually is every area has a park. Wherever you go, whichever area, there is a park. You just have to come out of your house and walk into a park and start walking. That's the best part of Bangalore. Lalbagh and Town Park are the main two parks in Bangalore. But as I said, every area has a small parks. We do this walk in Lalbagh whenever we find time, especially during the weekend and general holidays, and we thoroughly enjoy this. The fresh air, the greenery, especially this time of the year, July, August, September, best part of the year to walk and enjoy. And it's looking so beautiful. Friends, this is actually a lotus pond. This is our iconic glass house. Every twice a year, during the Republic Day and Independence Day, flower show will be organized here. Beautiful flower show which attracts not only people of Bangalore but all over Karnataka to come and see this flower show here in this place. This is the bird's eye view of Lalbagh. Friends, see this? So beautiful. The branches, as I told you, when it falls down, it is being used like this. These fruit vendors are there, here and there, inside Lalbagh. See how skillfully he does it. So if you feel like eating any fruits, we can come and have this. Look at this, how nicely he has cut this mangoes so well. So arty here. Friends, Lalbagh walk is not complete without a small climb on this Lalbagh Betta, as it is called as. Hello friends, I'm done with my morning walk. 2 hours of long walk. Now I feel so energetic. Please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.